So what actually is an API?
It stands for Application Programming Interface.
And it's how one piece of software asks another piece of software for something. Think of it like ordering at a restaurant.
You order from a waiter, the waiter takes your request to the kitchen, and brings the food back to your table. Same idea with software. Your app sends a request, an API receives it, and a server sends an answer back.
That address is called an endpoint, which is really just a URL the API listens on.
Every request has 3 parts: a method, an endpoint, and sometimes a body. Here's a real one. This curl command hits GitHub's public API and asks for a user named octocat. What comes back is JSON, structured data your app can read, not a web page you have to scrape. Most web APIs use 4 basic verbs: get reads, post creates, put updates, and delete removes. You're already using APIs all day. Your weather app, Stripe checkout, and Uber's maps all go through one.
Sign in with Google, Notion AI, the Instagram embed on a blog, they're all calls to somebody's API. An API is really a contract.
It's a written down agreement that says send this shape of request and you'll get this shape of response. REST is the dominant style on the web today, with GraphQL and gRPC showing up in newer or internal systems. The whole point of an API is to hide the kitchen and expose the menu.